days ago, I actually tried to export a video from my CapCut so I could upload it on my second channel, but then the error I got is that I have no internet connection. So if you have been trying to export video from your CapCut app, which is the CapCut Pro, and you are getting this kind of error being shown on the screen that you don't have an internet connection, that you should try again, don't worry, I got. In this video, I'm going to show you just one step on how you can actually fix this on your CapCut. But then before you actually try to fix this, make sure you have a strong internet connection and make sure you also have data, because in my own case, I just subscribed that day and there was data in my phone. So in seeing this, I had to off my phone, on and off my airplane mode. I even had to share hotspots from my iPhone to my Android so I could be able to export this video, all to no avail. And I tried using VPN to rectify this issue, all to no avail. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you the thing I actually did that actually makes me to be able to export my video like this, very, very free, with no stress.
So first thing first, you need to go to your app store, or I have a Play Store here. Your app store if you are using an iPhone, or your Play Store if you are using an Android, and come here, and all you just need to do is just to search for them. Sorry, you just need to search for Mail. So when you now search for Mail, you click on it. This is the one you are downloading. This second one, temporary mail, I've already installed it, so I'll just click here to open it. So when you download this Mail to your phone and you open it, you are going to see something like this is the email address that they gave you, right? So you will just copy this email address and go to your Chrome browser. I've already signed up. My phone will not allow me to sign up again, but I just want to show you guys an example of something. Then just come to your Chrome browser and type CapCut sign up. So when you now click on CapCut, click on the first option here. So when you now click on the first option, I've already signed up with my phone. So when I open it, to tell me that I've already signed up. But your own that you have not yet signed up, what you don't need to do is just to choose the option of continue with email. Don't click Google or Facebook or TikTok. Click continue with email. Then that email you copy from mail, you post it, you paste it here, and they will now send code to that mail. You go to the mail and copy the 6-digit code that has been sent to it, and you came here and you paste it. So when you now paste it, you just have to do your date of birth. Some of those other information is what you can do. So after doing that, you just have to come to CapCut again and click on your CapCut app. So when you now click on your CapCut app, I've already logged in, but I'm just showing you guys the procedures to do that. And you come on this me option here, you click on it. So when you now click on this me option, you can see that I've already logged in, right? But when you are done logging in on the CapCut, app, like CapCut this on the web browser, you also need to come here and click on me. So when you now click on me, you now see option. What you just need to do is sign in. You are not logging, like you are not signing up again. You just need to click on sign in. Then when you now click on sign in, you need to put the email address you copy from mail, and you also put the password that you set on the web browser here to log in, and to bring it to this interface. And trust me, whatever thing that you want to export, it will be exported immediately with no delay, right? So that is that for that.
So guys, let me know if you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to drop me a comment, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Bye, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.